What is coil spring suspension and how does it work? Coil spring suspension is one of the most common types of suspension found in modern automobiles. It consists of a helical or spiral spring that is used to support the weight of the vehicle and absorb the impacts of terrain irregularities. The coil spring is generally located between the vehicle chassis and the axle or suspension arm. Its main function is to maintain balance and allow the wheels to remain in constant contact with the ground, thus ensuring good handling and a smoother ride. When the vehicle goes over potholes, gaps or any other irregularity in the road, the coil spring compresses or stretches to absorb the impact and minimize vibrations transmitted to the chassis. Helical springs have a variable impact absorption capacity depending on their rigidity. A stiffer spring will provide a firmer, sportier ride, while a softer spring will provide a smoother, more comfortable ride. The stiffness of the coil spring can be adjusted according to the needs of each vehicle and the driver's preferences. This is achieved through various methods, such as selecting the spring thickness and number of turns, or by using additional devices, such as shock absorbers or stabilizer bars. These elements work in conjunction with the springs to provide a balanced and controlled suspension. In addition to absorbing terrain impacts, coil springs also help maintain a constant ride height in the vehicle. This is especially useful in loading situations, as the springs will prevent the vehicle from sinking excessively or rising too much. In addition to its basic support and shock absorption functions, the coil spring suspension also plays an important role in the stability and handling of the vehicle. By keeping the wheels in constant contact with the ground, coil springs help maximize traction and improve braking ability, which in turn contributes to safer driving. Another advantage of coil spring suspension is its durability and strength. Coil springs are designed to withstand heavy loads and maintain their shape over time, ensuring longer life and less maintenance compared to other suspension types. It is important to note that although coil spring suspension is a popular option on most passenger cars, it is not the only option available. Some sports or off-road vehicles may use more advanced suspension systems, such as air suspension or electronically adjustable coil springs. These systems offer greater ability to adapt and adjust the suspension according to driving conditions and driver preferences. In conclusion, the coil spring suspension is a key part of a car's suspension system. Its main function is to support the weight of the vehicle, absorb impacts and maintain a smooth and balanced ride. Its durable and strong design, along with its adjustability, make this suspension an ideal choice for most passenger cars.